Welcome to day 8 of the Big Spring Clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices added daily through till Easter Monday. First of today's deals is a marvellous mirror card bundle that includes 9 packs of A4 matte effect mirror card in gorgeous shades. This superb selection is available at 50% off. Emboss your favourite stamp designs in 8 vibrant colours with our embossing powder selection bundle. This superb collection is available at an unbelievable 75% off. Equip yourself correctly for whatever crafty task arises with this selection of essential scissors, including 5 multi-purpose scissors from dressmaking to fine control crafter snips. This bundle makes sure you have the right tool for the occasion. Available now at 80% off. Finally, we have our Edge die set bundle for you at a fantastic 80% off. These sets provide versatility and elegance to your projects, whatever the time of year. That's day 8's deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic has to offer.